Welcome to this visual merchandiser for Magento tutorial video. My name is Dan Garner and I work for OnTap. We are the UK's longest serving Magento Gold solution partner, and today I'm going to show you some of our extensions functionality. Specifically, you'll get to see how you can create smart rules so that products are automatically included in categories based upon their attribute values. As well as this tutorial video, we have a range of other ones available which show all the key areas of visual merchandiser's functionality. You can find these on our website at www.ontapgroup.com and also on our YouTube channel. One of the most powerful features of visual merchandiser is the ability for you to configure a category so that it automatically pulls in products to that category based upon product attributes. So these are rules that you can set up which enable you to create a whole range of categories that basically look after themselves, in so much as products will automatically come in and out of those categories based upon the attribute values. So for example, if you want to build a range of brand categories, you can very quickly and easily build a rule that says in this category only include products made by Apple, or only include products made by Sony. Or you can create sale categories of products that have a special price that are on sale, or products, you could have a category where products under $200 are automatically included in those categories. And those are based on rules that you can create yourself very quickly and easily in the admin panel. So looking at our test category here on the right hand side, this is what it looks like at the front end. In the admin panel, we've got a whole bunch of products assigned here, and the reason they're assigned is because in the visual merchandiser tab we have a smart category rule set up that says where the color is black, include it. That's why the products on the right hand side here are black products. And if I change that color to red and resave the category, what we should then see, if I refresh the right hand side, which is our front end, we should see a different set of products now. And there's only one product showing at this storefront here, which is this set of sunglasses. So I can change this rule and make this rule more inclusive if I want to, by saying where the color is red or the color is orange, and I can say or the color is yellow. So if I save that now and refresh the front end, we'll see all of the products that match that criteria. So on this storefront I've got a red product, an orange product and a yellow product. And if I look in category products here, I can see a whole bunch of other products that have been matched, 19 in total, but they may not be actually visible at the front end based upon store view, or they may be simple products that have been set to not visible individually at the front end. I can actually view these in the drag and drop window as normal. So as well as pulling in products automatically based on rules, I can actually drag them around. Now, in terms of the products which will actually show at all of my front ends, there's 4 in total. There's only 3 showing at this front end because this shoe here is not available on the main website. So if I switch to the main website, I'm now looking at what my front end on this site looks like. And I can drag and drop these products around just as I normally would be able to if I didn't have a rule set up for them. So if I refresh my front end, I should see that the product order has changed. Remember that shoe product there is not visible at this front end. It would be on a separate private sales front end where in fact the other products are not visible. So again, I can visualize how my front end for this particular category is going to look like in different front ends if I want to. So the rules enable you to do all kinds of things. So let me just close this for a moment and let me just delete some of these here. So any of the attributes that you have defined to be used in these kind of rules show up here. So we've got every attribute that we might want to use here to do with status, price, color, any custom attributes that you create, you can add to this list very easily. Things like when the product was created or last modified. So you can create a new category of just showing your new products or recently updated products very quickly and simply. So if we do one which is price and say price is less than 100 and we save that, that will filter automatically and include into this category products which are less than 100. In this case it's $100 because that's the currency being used on this website. So I've got all these products here which are under $100. If I just sort these by price to make it a bit easier to view this at the front end, you can see all these products here. So the dynamic nature of the rules means that as products themselves change their attribute values, they may be included or excluded from one or more categories. So if we pick a product which is not listed in this category at the moment, which is this product here, this digital media player, the reason it's not included is because the price is $101. And if you remember, our rule is for products which are less than 100. So let's just change that price to 99 and save this particular product. Now the way the rules work is that this product change may affect multiple categories. In this case it only affects one because there's only a price being changed here. But there's a queuing system internally within the extension so that any changes to products get processed and they update the categories in the background automatically for you. So you don't have to remember to go and find this product because it's now less than 100 and find all of the categories that it should now be part of. Because you've set the rule up, it will do it for you. And that's a really powerful thing for it to be able to do, because your categories, as I said earlier, just kind of look after themselves. So now that we've saved the product, the update to that will be queued, and in the background the category will update. Now that happens using Magento's cron functionality. So however often Magento runs its cron, it can be processing changes to categories. So that can be 5 minutes, it can be less. You can even go into another page within Magento and tell Visual Merchandiser just to go and update all the categories right now if you need that change to be visible at the front end now. So if I go and refresh my front end, we should see hopefully the product updated. There it is, the product's come in right here, and that wasn't there before. It came in only because I changed the price, and that it then was matched by the rule on this category here. And likewise there might be some other categories elsewhere which for example might be including it could be a category of Madison branded products which are less than 100, and it would then go into that one as well, just by changing the price on the product once. So if I change the price beyond 100 so that it doesn't match the rule anymore, then it will go away from this category potentially, because there's a setting that we can have here which is only include products matched by rules. Now if this is set to yes, then the only products that are available to be added to this category are ones which are matched by the rules. So if this is set to yes, then this product, if we changed its price to more than 100 or more, it would disappear from this category because it now doesn't match the rules, and that we're only including products matched by rules. If I set this to no, then if the product doesn't match the rules anymore, then we can elect, if we want to leave it in the category still, but any new products which match the rules get added to that category. So the category gets bigger as more things are matched, but it doesn't necessarily get or deassign products from the category that no longer match the rules. And this is useful in some scenarios. On something like a price category, we'd normally set that to yes, because we do only want products that match this category, match this rule to be in this category. But there are scenarios where you do want to pull in new products automatically into a category, but if they don't match the rules anymore, you don't necessarily want to get rid of them. It does depend on how you merchandise, and it does give you the flexibility of merchandising in lots of different ways, either completely manually, which is drag and drop, and there's a whole tutorial about how that works available on their website and on their YouTube channel, or by rules. And this is what we're seeing here today. So that's the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Visual Merchandiser is available for both community and enterprise editions of Magento, and it's available for purchase from our website, which is www.ontapgroup.com. Please take time to look at some of the other tutorial videos that we've produced that show even more functionality from Visual Merchandiser. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.